Hey guys, hope you are doing well and welcome to another new podcast. And this is your host Shwagusain. Okay, in our previous video we talk about cartoon animation, best cartoon animation director, and we talk about Rob Minkoff and Seth MacFarlane. Okay, today we'll discuss about Travis Knight. Okay, Travis Knight, the mastermind who recognized the stop motion vendor Will Vinton Studio to become the critically acclaimed Laika. Travis Knight had a board roles as producer for the studio, splendid hits like Paranorman and The Boxtrolls. He achieved critical acclaim with Kubo, and the two-star with nominated his for an Oscar and gained his BAFTA for the best animated film. Okay, 10 best. This is a related. Actually, this is a related blog post from this website, and now we're in iscorenanet.com. Even with his crucial involvement in Laika, Knight directed the Transformer spin-off Bumbles to positive acclaimed and healthy box office return, making its best received film of the dwindling franchise. That's become a calling card for him to be tapped for future live action project like the Arthur's film adaptation, and starting from Tom Holland and the big screen adaptation of the $6 Million Man starring Mark Wahlberg. That's all about our today's video. Thank you very much for watching our videos. If you like this type of video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.